When using LedArt to send a video, the display screen is black, flash is back, or the playback is incomplete. We can use the video transcoding function to solve this problem. For color conventional series devices, after adding the video program, click the Edit button. Setting. You can choose the transcoding method according to actual needs. You can also choose a custom resolution. Limit the resolution from 64 to 496, and it must be an even number. After the settings are completed, resend the program. For color Android series devices, you can select the video transcoding plugin in the program editing interface. Select the required resolution. Also supports custom resolution. Click Send. In addition, LedArt supports shaking to transcode the video. Click Shake on the device list interface. Select Video. More. Select the transcoding method. Select the video. Shake the phone for transcoding. Wait for the transcoding to complete and send successfully.